everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to enable App Lock on TokenPocket using your iOS device. To enable App Lock feature on TokenPocket for iOS, first of all, open up the TokenPocket application on your mobile device. From the main home page, tap on the Me button at the bottom right-hand corner. From the Me menu, tap on Security. Choose the App Lock option under Security and toggle on the button right next to Activate. Now, enter the password you want to set for your app in the text box. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, and make sure to create a complex password which is difficult for others to guess. After you are done creating a password, tap on Next. Re-enter the password on the next page again and tap Confirm. Once you enable the App Lock feature, you will be prompted to enter your password each time you launch it open, providing an extra layer of security for your crypto asset. Now, if you force close your application or simply close off your application, next time you launch the TokenPocket app, you will be asked to enter the app password. Finally, tap on the Confirm button after entering your password to unlock your wallet. So that's how you easily enable App Lock feature on TokenPocket. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.